Hi, I'm Katie and this is Helen, and we're both from Almased, and today we'll just be talking to you about what Almased is, how to use it and general benefits of the product.
So what I really love about it as well is that it's scientifically proven. So I know that actually someone has tested it and I know it's going to work.
Yeah, exactly. So it's backed by 25 years of scientific research, and we actually have a team of professors who are constantly conducting research on the product. So it's been known to be effective for weight loss, weight management, and also now we're looking at those, with type 2 diabetes as well. So in particular, one of the key findings is that with a diet with Almased, so muscle is maintained throughout the weight loss process, which is actually key to a healthy metabolism to long-term healthy weight loss. Also the fact that compared to a normal low-fat diet, you've got 2 times greater weight loss and also 3 times greater reduction in waist circumference. It's the #1 product in Germany, and also it's been voted the most trusted brand by consumers. So it really is, not only is it backed by science, but also customers, they really value the product and they see fantastic results.